For hook blind fasteners, the standard range is a very limited zinc coating which can give a 48-hour or a 72-hour finish depending on exactly which one's applied, which is obviously very limited compared to what some applications might need. In 2014-2015, Arconic Engineering in Telford looked at developing a range of coatings from 120 hours to a 1,000-hour finish on blind fasteners. For hook blind fasteners, the standard coating of 48 or 72-hour finish can be quite low for some applications. So in 2014-2015 we did an extensive testing program to develop coatings which could give 120 to 1,000-hour finish. The details in the extensive testing program it's very important to get right because the friction characteristics between the pin and the sleeve are very important to the blind fastener's correct installation performance. If the friction isn't right, the fastener will not install properly. So getting the coating right is very important to that. So the coating needs to be exactly right to give the exact friction properties to allow the fastener to install. The benefits of the hook blind coatings are the corrosion proof life that they give. So the coatings are available from 120 hours to 1,000 hours. And they can also have, some of them also have a self-healing effect because when you install blind fasteners you have a break neck, so there's a bare steel surface, and some of the coatings give an additional protection to that bare surface, so while it might start to corrode, the corrosion doesn't become extensive. Hook blind fasteners are used in all sorts of different applications, and with these coatings they can be used in even more applications that may be exposed to the environment. So we see them used in automotive, inside and outside of the car, train bodies, air freight containers, anywhere where you need a high integrity structural fastener, hook blind products with the coatings that are available now can be used. Hook blind fasteners are very strong mechanical fasteners, but with the application of some of these high-end corrosion protections we have had to reduce the mechanical performance by up to 25% depending on the coating selected. The further development work that we're doing is looking at regaining back that mechanical performance through further development of the coatings, looking at a detailed study on controlling the friction coefficients of the coatings as a way to get back the high-end mechanical strength. However, what we're finding is that in certain applications customers are taking the compromise that they really need the corrosion protection, and because hook blind fasteners are so strong in the first place, they may be able to accept some reduction in the mechanical strength of the fastener. Hook blind fasteners, combined with the range of coatings that we now have available from 120 hours to 1,000 hours, mean that they can be used in any number of applications that they weren't previously available for. So with the corrosion protection and the very high mechanical strength and integrity of hook blind fasteners, it opens the door to many different applications which were previously limited.